Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic trigonometry. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions? See, you need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic adda. Under academic adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay, so coming back to the given problem, what is given here? In triangle ABC, length of three sides are given, that is A equal to 8, B equal to 10 and C equal to 5. So we need to solve it and find all the angles of the triangle, right? And then we need to round it to the nearest degree. Okay friends, see, in the given triangle we have been given A equal to 8, B equal to 10 and C equal to 5, that is length of sides are given. So how we can find the angles? See, we know the law of cosines. So what it states, the square of any side of a triangle is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides minus twice the product of other two sides and the cosine of the included angle. So you can see it here. Okay, this is one side, so it is equal to the sum of a square of other two sides minus the product of the other two sides into 2 into cosine of the angle. Okay, so if we see triangle ABC, then ABC, that is side lengths are given, so we can find cos A from here. Similarly, using this formula, b square equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b, this is also a cosine rule. So from this formula we can find angle B. Okay, and from this formula we can find angle C. So better it to rewrite the equation in this form because we have to find the angle. So we will write this as cos A equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Cos B will be equal to a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac, and cos C will be equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Okay, so we have just arranged the law of cosines. Okay, now we have the values of a, b and c. All these are given as a equal to 8, b equal to 10 and c equal to 5. So substituting these values in equation 1, so cos A can be written as 10 square because B equal to 10 and C equal to 5. So it will be equal to 10 square plus 5 square minus 8 square divided by 2 into 10 into 5. Okay. So we will get cos A as equal to 61 by 100, which will be equal to 0.61, then taking the inverse. Okay, so A will be equal to cos inverse 0.61, so in terms of degree it will be 52.41 degree. Therefore after rounding to the nearest degree we will get angle A as 52 degree. Similarly, substituting the values of A, B and C in equation 2, so this is our equation 2. Okay, so cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square by twice AC. So substituting A equal to 8, B equal to 10 and C equal to 5, we can find cos B as minus 11 by 80. And then taking inverse, okay, taking cos inverse, we will get B equal to cos inverse minus 11 by 80. And in terms of degree, it will come out as 97.90 degree, and after rounding it to the nearest degree we will get B equal to 98 degree. Okay, now in triangle A, B and C we have the values of two angles, that is A equal to 52 degree and B equal to 98 degree. Okay, and we know that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, a plus b plus c will be equal to 180 degree, and then substituting the calculated value of a and b. Okay, a we have calculated as 52 degree and b 98 degree. So we can find the value of angle c, and c will come out as 30 degree. Hence, angles of the triangle ABC are A equal to 52 degree, B equal to 98 degree, and C equal to 30 degree. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics from the topic trigonometry. Okay, thank you.